Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and welcome to my channel. If you're all, welcome back. I'm back with another banging video. So I'm sorry I was not posting whole lot last week, but I'm back. So today hair we'll be doing is called a BANTU knot. And for this hair you need a rubber band, edge control, jam, of course comb, and you need some extension to add to your hair if you got shorter hair like me. So for this hairstyle, it's a rubber band method, and I'm going to be sectioning my hair and putting in the rubber band. I know rubber band is not safe for your hair, but you can put it in the oil and then put on your hair. If you want to take it out, it will be easier to take out. So I'll be using my airband edge control. I always show you in this video. In my video, I always use it in my video. So but comment down below if you know any good edge control instead of airband edge control, because I need an edge control too, and a hair oil. Yeah. So after putting the rubber band and doing my edges, everything, this is how it come out. So it's time for the extension. It's time for me to add the extension on and wrap the hair. So for this hair, you want everything to be equal. So you're going to separate your extension for it to be equal. So I'm going to be using a crochet pin to crochet the extension to my hair. So after crocheting the extension to my hair, I'm going to section my hair into two and then twist it before I make the BANTU knot, because if you don't twist the hair, it will keep falling off. So after twisting, and then you just wrap it around your hair. Just keep doing the same thing, keep repeating the same step until you're done with the hair. This is the easiest hairstyle ever. So yeah.
Monkey.
This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And guys, if you get any idea or video you love for me to do on this channel, don't forget to put in the comment box down below. And see you in my next video. Bye.
Monkey.